Hey James, who's that girl?
Which girl?
That one over there, with the long blonde hair and blue eyes.
Oh, that's Jessica, she's Joe's cousin.
Wow, she's beautiful. She looks like an angel.
Absolutely. She is really very beautiful.
She's not from around here, is she?
I don't think so. Why don't you ask her?
Dude, I would love to. The problem is that I'm too shy.
Oh, come on, Mike. I'll introduce you to her. Hi, Jessica. I'd like to introduce you to my friend Mike.
Hi, James. Hello, Mike. Nice to meet you.
It's my pleasure, Jessica. Where are you from?
I'm from London, England. I'm here in New York visiting my cousin Joe.
Cool. And how long are you going to stay here?
Just one more week.
Oh, what a pity you will be staying for such a short time.
It's true. Why don't you visit London sometime? It is a beautiful city. I will be happy to show it to you.
Maybe someday. Thanks for the invitation.
You're welcome. Well, I need to go talk to my cousin. It was a pleasure to meet you.
It was my pleasure, Jessica. Hey James, I'm in love, man.
Take it easy, man. But I think you better start saving money to travel to England.
Thank you for watching. If you found the content of this video useful, please leave your like and write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos.